Alrighty guys, so here I am doing a screen repair. Now I always start with the bottom first. You can see here I'm getting ready to put the screen in. I'm putting a little crevice in the bottom end there so the screen mesh doesn't bunch up. Now the screen that we use is called Tough Screen or Super Screen. It is a 2 times more durable than your standard fiberglass screen. It is weather and pet resistant, and it just looks good on the home. Very durable. Now you can see here I have the screen roller. It's facing straight up. You want to keep it up that way. It helps. That also helps prevent the screen from bunching up when you get to the very end of it. So now you can see I'm taking my spline, getting it in there, rolling it over the pull tabs nice and good. Want to make sure those pull tabs are in there nice and tight so they do not come out. And then at the end I'll take my flathead screwdriver like that, and I'll push the corners in like that, but I'll also push in the pull tabs as well. So now I'm doing the last side. I'm going to go ahead and roll this in real quick. Getting the spline ready. Keeping the roller up. Now you want to roll it up like that, and you want to guide it with your fingers and even stretch the spline just a little bit. Get the corners in there nice and good. Cut off that slack of spline, and then we'll go ahead and start trimming the edges. Always make sure your razor is fresh. You don't want any resistance when it comes to trimming off the excess material on the screen frame. If the razor's dull, it won't cut it properly, and it might leave a little bit of screen hair. It kind of looks like, just doesn't look quite right if you don't cut it properly or correctly. Now I'm doing the last side here. Trimming that off, get the corner off, and then we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and take my flathead, get those corners in there nice and good, squish them down, and we're all set. There is a brand new screen.